Hi everyone. I'm here today to share a DIY idea which is very simple and you can definitely try that at home. You can use this at home for yourself, for your kids or at your office, and if it turns out beautiful, you can also gift that to somebody. So I bought myself a bottle, but that has come with a box. So what do you guys do with such boxes at home? Do you have any idea? If yes, then share it in the comments. If no, then definitely watch this video. So I am first unboxing my bottle, which I'll use later. This is a nice pretty bottle for myself. But today the focus is on this box. So let's see what I can do with this. So I am here with this box and first we'll find the center point. So with the help of a scale and a pencil, you can just find the center point and mark it on 3 sides. Remember not to cut on all the 4 sides. You have to make the cut only on 3 sides. That's it. Now with the help of a cutter, you can cut these 3 sides where you have marked with the pencil. After you have cut on 3 sides, just bend this way. So to make the base stronger, I'll take another piece of cardboard and place it below. Now with the help of this glue gun, I'll stick this part. stationery box is ready. And I'll keep all the things that I used now in this box. Is it looking beautiful? Yes, I can gift it to someone. Hope you like the idea, and to watch many more such DIY things, keep watching my channel. Thank you.